Good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to Atma Green School. Today Standard 9th Book Geography, Lesson number 5, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Okay, I had finished explanation of this lesson. Just a small recap of this lesson because important lesson for your term 1. Okay, I start with India had varied types of flora and fauna. India is one of the 12 mega biodiversity countries of the world. Then we will see of natural vegetation. That is, it is a plant community which has grown naturally without human help. The natural vegetation which is left undisturbed over a long period of time is called virgin vegetation. Thus cultivated crops, fruits, orchards form part of vegetation but not natural vegetation. Virgin vegetation are of two types. One is endemic or indigenous species that are originated in India and exotic species that are originated outside India. Then factors affecting vegetation, under that the first is relief. Relief के अंदर land, flora, fauna, mega biodiversity countries and soil. And then comes the climate, temperature, about photoperiod sunlight, precipitation. Then importance of forest. Forest plays a major role in enhancing the quality of environment. Forest modify local climate, reduce soil erosion, regulate steam flow, provide raw materials for industries and livelihood for many communities. Forests also offer panoramic or scenic view for recreation. Forests control wind force, temperature and cause rainfall. Forests also provide humus to soils and shelter to the wildlife. Then the type of vegetation. Students, there is a map given in your textbook. आप उस मैप को रेफर कर सकते हो. That is tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous, tropical thorn forest and scrubs, mountain forest and mangrove forest. Tropical evergreen forest you can see in the east and south के बिल्कुल corner में समुद्र के किनारे. Then tropical deciduous forest पूरा central India, all पूरा central interior of India, central. Then mountain forest, that is वो तो पता ही आपको ऊपर north में पहाड़ों पे ही होगा. Then mangrove forest, little Bay of Bengal के पास बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है mangrove forest. Then tropical thorn forest. Tropical thorn forest is Rajasthan, pura Rajasthan, you can see Saurashtra, Kutch, all that areas. Okay, that is tropical evergreen forest. These forests are found in heavy areas, rainfall areas, where the annual rainfall is over 200 centimeter with a short dry season. These are called tropical rainforest. Regions of these forests are the western slopes of the Western Ghats, both groups of islands, Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, upper parts of Assam and coast of Tamil Nadu. Then characteristics of tropical evergreen forest. These forests have abundant vegetation with tall trees up to 60 meters, creepers and bushes. These forests are found to remain water and wet throughout the year. The vegetation occurred in this forest is multi-layered in structure. These forests appear green throughout the year. These forests shed their leaves at different times and have short dry season. That is, ebony, mahogany, cinchona, rubber, rosewood are useful commercial trees found here. Animals found in this forest include elephants, monkey, lemur, deer, birds, bats, sloth, scorpions and snails. One-horned rhinoceros are found in the jungles of Assam and West Bengal. Then comes tropical deciduous forest. These forests are found where the annual rainfall is between 200 to 70 centimeter. These forests are the most abundant variety of forest in India. These forests also called monsoon forest. Trees of these forests shed their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks in dry summer. Then lions, tigers, elephants, pigs and deer are the common animals in this forest. Besides, there are also many reptiles, many kind of birds and बहुत अलग-अलग different तरीके के reptiles, rodents are found here. Then types of tropical deciduous forest. Two types. First is moist, second is dry. We go to the very first one, that is moist. Forest growing in annual rainfall areas between 100 to 200 centimeter are classified as वो moist deciduous की category में आते हैं. These forests are found mostly in the eastern part of the country such as northeastern states, West Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, along with the foothills of Himalayas and the eastern slopes. Then teak, bamboo, sal, shisham, sandalwood, kher, kusum, arjun and mulberry trees are found in this forest, and these are commercially very important. Then we go to dry deciduous. Forest growing in annual rainfall areas between 70 and 100 centimeters are classified as dry deciduous forest. These forests are found in rainier parts of the Peninsula Plateau and the plains of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. There are open stretches in this forest in which teak, sal, peepal and neem trees grow. Many parts of these forests have been cleared for agriculture activities and for grazing. Tropical thorn forest and scrubs. These forests are found in areas where the annual rainfall is less than 70 centimeter. These forests are found in northwestern part of the country, including semi-arid areas of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Haryana, and Madhya Pradesh. Characteristics here: trees in these forests are scattered and have long roots penetrating deep into the soil. It is helpful to get moisture from underground water. The stems of these trees in this forest are succulent to conserve water, which helps the trees to survive in arid climate. Leaves of the trees in these forests are mostly thick and small to minimize evaporation. These forests have scrubs and thorn forests in arid areas. Trees like acacia, palms, euphorbia and cactus are the main plant species of this forest. Then fox, wolf, rats, mice, wild ass, horses, tiger, lion, camels, ये इन एरिया में पाए जाते हैं. Okay, next comes the mountain forest. In mountainous areas, the decrease in temperature with increased altitude leads to the corresponding change in natural vegetation. These forests are found in the mountainous areas of Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. The common animal like Kashmir stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jackrabbit, Tibetan antelopes, yak, snow leopards, squirrels, शैगी हॉर्न. देखा हमने शैगी हॉर्न, ऐसे बहुत सारे से कर्व्स होते हैं, अनटाइडी जैसे लगते हैं. उसका क्या नाम है? शैगी हॉर्न वाइल्ड इबेक्स. Bear and rare red panda, sheep and goats with thick hair are found in this forest. पहाड़ों पे पाए जाते हैं red panda. Then attitudinal distribution of mountain forest. First is wet temperate forest, second is temperate forest, third is temperate grasslands, fourth is alpine vegetation, then is alpine grasslands, and the last is tundra vegetation. Okay, so wet temperate forest. These forests are found at lower altitude between 1000 to 2000 Evergreen broadleaf trees such as oaks and chestnut are prominent here. Temperate forests. These forests are found at the altitude between 1500 to 3000. Here coniferous trees like pine, deodar, silver fir, spruce and cedar are found. These forests cover mostly of the southern slopes of the Himalayan places, having high altitude in southern and northeast India. ये सिर्फ एक recap है, ये जैसे मैंने आपको explain किया हुआ है. And temperate grasslands. These grasslands are found at higher elevations. Alpine vegetation. These vegetations are found above 3600 meters height in this forest. The common trees of these forests are silver fir, junipers, pines, birches. On the snow line, these forests are not formed. मतलब और ऊपर जहाँ बिल्कुल बर्फ वाले इलाके वहाँ तो ये ट्रीज बिल्कुल पाए नहीं जाते, जरा भी नहीं होते अल्पाइन. ये इसके जो फॉरेस्ट के ट्रीज है सिल्वर फर, जूनिपर्स, पाइन्स एंड बर्चेस. ऑन द स्नो लाइन these forests are not formed. Through islands and scrubs, these forests merge into alpine grasslands. Then alpine grasslands. These grasslands are used extensively for grazing by nomadic tribals like the Gujjars and the Bakarwals. Nomadic tribes के बहुत पुराने ancient time के हैं Gujjars and Bakarwals. Tundra vegetation, mosses and lichens, ये भी एक part of insect आप बोल सकते हो, बड़े बड़े हैं जो बहुत slippery होते हैं, एकदम जैसे seal होते हैं ना वैसे. Mosses and lichens are part of tundra vegetation which are found at high altitudes. Then comes mangrove forest. These forests are found in coastal areas influenced by tides. Due to this fact, they are also called tidal forest. Dense mangrove are the common varieties in this forest, and the roots of the mangroves are submerged underwater. These forests are found in the delta areas of the Ganga, Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna and Kaveri. In the Ganga Brahmaputra delta, Sundari trees are found. These provide durable hard timber. Other trees are palm, coconut, kiora and akar. Then उसी में आता है मैनग्रोव है तो ऑब्वियस है घना जंगल होगा. तो बंगाल टाइगर इज अ फेमस एनिमल फाउंड इन दिस फॉरेस्ट. काफ़ी ह्यूज होता है बंगाल टाइगर और फिरोशियस भी होता है. अदर एनिमल्स फाइंड आर ज़्यादातर क्योंकि बहुत ही घने जंगल होते हैं इसलिए यहाँ पर रेप्टाइल्स भी पाए जाते हैं. स्नेक्स, टर्टल्स, घड़ियाल्स, क्रोकोडाइल्स के स्नेक्स रेप्टाइल्स ही बहुत पाए जाते हैं. देन कम्स दी मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स. एक आपको पता है सर्पगंधा, जामुन, अर्जुन, बबूल, नीम, तुलसी, कचनार. Okay, so and then after that is wildlife. India is rich in its fauna, that is animal life. Okay, then comes distribution of wildlife in India. The existence of animals in our country varies from place to place. The following points show distribution of wildlife in India. That is, the elephants are found in the hot wet forest of Assam, Karnataka and Kerala. One-horned rhinoceros are found in swampy and marshy lands of Assam and West Bengal. Wild ass and camels are found in the arid areas of Run of Kutch, Thar Desert. वाइल्ड एज और कैमल्स क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो और कुछ नहीं है, कोई आबादी नहीं है, ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन नहीं है, कोई नहीं है रन ऑफ कच्छ में, इसलिए ओके थार डेजर्ट और ये सब कुछ सब एकदम डिफरेंट है. इंडिया इज द ओनली कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड दैट हैज़ बोथ टाइगर्स एंड लायंस. इंडियन लायन इज फाउंड इन द गिर फॉरेस्ट इन गुजरात. द गिर फॉरेस्ट इज द लास्ट रिमेनिंग हैबिटेट ऑफ द एशियाटिक लायन. Tigers and leopards are found in the forest of Madhya Pradesh and Sundarbans of West Bengal and the Himalayan regions. The Himalayas have a range of animals which can survive in extreme cold. Yak, the shaggy horned wild ox, जिसका वजन कितना कितना 1 ton. The Tibetan antelope, the blue sheep, the wild king sheep and the Ganges Tibetan wild ants are found in high altitudes in Ladakh. The ibex, bear, snow leopard, and red panda are found in certain areas. Then turtles, crocodiles, gharials are found in the rivers, lakes, and coastal areas. Gharial is the only representative of a variety of crocodile found in the world today. Then now the birds, peacocks, pheasants. Pheasant बहुत बड़ी होती है, बोलते हैं ना मुर्गा मुर्गी से भी बड़ी. Pheasant, duck, parakeets, cranes, and pigeons are some of the birds found in the forest and wetlands of the country. Indian bison, nilgai, that is blue bull, chausingha, four-horned antelope, gazelle, and different species of deer are some other animals found in different places of India. It also has several species of monkeys. Okay, next is the wetland of India. At home are home to many migratory birds such as Siberian crane, flamingo. These places are run of Kutch and places where desert merges with the sea. Okay, then is loss of ecosystem. Every species has a role to play in the ecosystem, thus its conservation is essential for environment. Due to इसको preserve और conserve करके रखना है. Due to the excessive exploitation of the plants and animals resources by human beings, the ecosystem has been disturbed. About 1,300 plant species are endangered and 20 species are extinct, गायब हो चुके हैं, खत्म हो चुके हैं इस दुनिया से. The main cause of threat to ecosystem is hunting by greedy hunters for commercial purpose, population due to chemical and industrial waste, introduction of alien species, reckless cutting of the forest to bring land under cultivation and habitation. Then government steps for protection of flora and fauna. To protect animals and plant life, the government has taken many steps. 18 biosphere reserves have been set up in the country to protect flora and fauna. 10 out of these, जो 10 मैंने हमेशा आपके साथ repeat किए हैं, out of these have been included in the World Network of Biosphere Reserves. Many other eco-developmental projects have been introduced such as Project Tiger, Project Rhino, Project Great Indian Bustard. Wildlife Protection Act was implemented in 1972 in India. 103 national parks, 535 wildlife sanctuaries and zoological gardens are set up to take care of natural heritage. Okay, then you can see the map given in the text. Okay, so with this I had finished this lesson. बहुत ही simple lesson था. That is about the virgin vegetation and all that. और सारे forest है. Then comes which plant out of the algae, fungi, ferns and orchids is a flowering plants. Algae है कि fungi है कि ferns और orchids, flowering plants. इनमें से सिर्फ orchid flowering plant hai. State any one characteristic of forest. Forest give humus to soil, control soil erosion and regulate the flow of water. What are the climatic conditions of tropical evergreen forest? The climatic conditions are high temperature and heavy rainfall, that is above 200 centimeter plus per year. What kinds of commercially important trees are found in tropical evergreen forest? The commercially important trees found in tropical evergreen forest are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber and cinchona. What kind of forests are found in the areas with annual rainfall between 100 and 200 centimeter? It is tropical, moist, deciduous type of forests. Sal trees are found in forest with what amount of annual rainfall? It is 70 and 200 centimeter. What kinds of forests are found in the areas with less than 70 centimeter rainfall? It is thorn and scrub type. What are common animals found in thorn and scrub forest? Rabbits, foxes, wolves, tigers, lions, wildasses, horses, camels. Sundari tree is an example of which type of natural vegetation? It is mangrove forest. Which trees out of coconut, cactus, acacia, cinchona are found? Only coconut trees are found in mangrove forests. Cactus and acacia are found in thorn forest, while cinchona trees are found in tropical evergreen forest. What is the main medicinal use of sarpagandha plant? Treat high blood pressure. Which medicinal plant has both antibacterial and antibiotic properties? It is neem plant. What is a term used for a species if it is introduced to another environment? It is exotic species. Then what is sanctuary? Sanctuary is an area designated for the protection of wild animals. Okay students, so वैसे पहले मैंने आपके साथ काफ़ी मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस एंड आई हैड डिस्कस विद यू. Okay, so with this I wrap up my class here. Thank you to all.